friends, my today's topic is multiples. With the word itself, it is clear that multiples is related with the multiplication table. This is the simple concept of multiples. Okay, so already I have written over here multiples related with the multiplication table. Now we can take one example, 3 4s are 12. This is a multiplication table of 3 4s are 12. In factors video also I told you the smaller numbers are called factors and here the bigger number, this is called multiples. 3 4s are 12. So 12 is the multiple of 3. 12 is the multiple of 4. Okay. So smaller numbers are factors and bigger number is known as multiples. You can take the same another example. 0 multiplied by 4 will give you 0. Whenever we multiply by 0, our product is always 0. 0 multiplied by 5, again your answer is 0. Same concept we can use here. 0 is the multiple of 0. Okay, that is not required. But 0 is the multiple of 4. 0 is the multiple of 5. 0 is the multiple of 6. 0 is the multiple of 7. 0 is the multiple of all the numbers. So this is very important. 0 is the multiple of all the numbers that we are going to see when I tell you properties of multiples. But example I have given over here. Okay. So we will start with the few examples. So my first example is multiples of 3. Okay. So what are the multiples of 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and so on. Suppose I want to write down here multiples of suppose 6. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30 and so on. So all these are called multiples. That means simply we are writing multiples of 3, multiples of 6. If it is asked write 4 multiples of 5. 4 multiples of 5. So we will write only 4. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So whatever number is asked, we write down that many multiples. If 7 are there, we will write down till 7s are. If 9 multiples are there, so we will write down 9s are. We will continue the same table. Okay. So with this example, we can explain many properties. Which is the first one? 3 is the multiple of 3, 6 is the multiple of 6. What does it mean? Every number is the multiple of itself. The first one is every number is the multiple of itself. Which is another one? Which is the smallest multiple of 3? 3. Smallest multiple of 6? 6. So smallest multiple is the number itself. Smallest multiple is the number itself. Okay. Then the next one is multiples of a number. You can see that all the numbers are equal to 3 or greater than 3. Multiples of 6 are equal to 6 or greater than 6. So multiples are equal to or greater than the number. Okay, what is the next property? Here we cannot count, so or means infinite numbers we can write down. So what can we say? That multiples are infinite in numbers. Multiples are infinite in numbers, we cannot count. And already one point I have explained you, 0 is the multiple of all the numbers. 0 is the multiple of every number. This is all about multiples. Let me give the quick revision for factors. Factors, that was the greatest number of itself. Greatest number of the factor is factor number itself. Here multiples are equal to or greater than, but the factors are equal to and smaller than. Multiples are infinite, but factors are finite. So this is the difference between multiples and factors. So this is all about the concept of multiples. Okay. Now what type of questions may come? One question already I told you. The first type of question I have explained you. Write 5 multiples of this, write 7 multiples of this. Okay. I want to give you one more example. What is the 6th multiple of 7? If such type of question is there, 6th multiple of 7, multiple means multiplication of 7. So which is the 6th multiple of 7? 42. 4th multiple of 8. Suppose 4th multiple of 8. So 4 8s are 32. So like that questions are there in the exams. Now one more type of question is there. Write odd multiples of 7 less than 80. Multiples of 7, what does it mean? You need to recite table of 7. Okay, one way is there. First you write down table of 7 and then we will find out which is the odd multiples that should be less than 80. You can write down this answer directly, or if you have any confusion, first you can write down the table. Till 10 we have written, then we can start with 11, 11, 7 is 77. Okay. Since less than 80, so we will not go further. And now which one is the odd multiples? So whatever even multiples are there, we will drop this. So remaining ones will be the odd multiples. So these are the odd multiples of 7 less than 80. This is third type of question, comes from multiple. Now, so I have explained you about the multiple, and since I said this is related with the multiplication, here I will give you shortcut trick for multiplication. For example, I am taking here 48 and 79. How can you multiply in short? Okay, so multiply this 8 9s are 72. So we will write down 2 here, 7 will be carry over. Now do this cross multiplication. 9 4s are 36. 8 7s are 56. Add all the 3 numbers and your sum will be 99. So write 9 here and 1 9 will be carry over, and then multiply 4 7s are 28 and add this. Your answer will be 37. Write down 3792. This is the product. Let me take one more example. 27 and 35. Okay. Hide this number which is open. 7 5. 7 5s are 35. Carry over 3. Open it. Now do cross multiplication. 5 2s are 10. 3 7s are 21. Add this. You will get here 34. So write 4 here. 3 will be the carry over. And now 3 2s are 6. So 6 plus 3 will give you 9. So write down 9 here. 945. Okay, I will take one more example. The third example is 42 multiplied by 23. Always first open unit place digit number. 3 2s are 6. Open another digit also. Whenever these two numbers are there, always do cross multiplication. So 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Add this 16. So write down 6 here. 1 is the carry over, and now start hiding from here. 4 2s are 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is 9. 966. So let me take one more example. 29 multiplied by 32. Okay. So open only unit place digit number. 9 2s are 18. Carry over 1. Open your next digit also. Since two numbers are there, do cross multiplication. 2 2s are 4. 9 3s are 27. Add all the three numbers. This will give you 32. So 2 write down here and 3 will be carry over. Now start hiding from unit place digits. So which numbers are left now? 3 2s are 6. So add 6. This is 9. So write down here 928. This is the easiest way of multiplication. Now second one, 35 multiplied by 35. If you are multiplying by the same number and your unit place digit is 5, that is compulsory that unit place digit should be 5. So 5 5s are 25. 3 successor of 3 is 4. So 3 4s are 12. So the answer is 1225. Let me take another number. 55 multiplied by 55. Same number and your unit place digit is 5. So 5 5s are 25. Which number is given? 5. Successor of 5 is 6. So 6 5s are 30. So the answer is 3025. Now I will tell you how to multiply 3-digit number by 3-digit number. So 109 multiplied by 230. Okay. So again your method is same. First open only unit place digit number. 9 3s are 27. 2 is the carryover. Open one more digit. Whenever two numbers are there, always we do cross multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. 9 ones are 9. So 9 plus 2 will be 11. So write down 1 here. 1 will be carryover. Now open one more digit. Whenever 3 digits are there, we do cross multiplication with the end of the number. So 1 into 3 will give you 3. 9 into 2 will give you 18, and the middle number also we multiply, that will give you 0. So add all these three numbers, you will get 22. So write down 2 here and next 2 will be carryover. Okay. Now same way start hiding this unit place digit. Now you have these two numbers. Whenever these two numbers are there, always we do cross multiplication. So 1 into 1 and 2 into 0 will give you 0. So add this, you will get 3. So write down 3. Now hide another digit also. So which is left? 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2. So this is the answer, multiplication of 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Let me take one more example for the same type of question. Now the number is 109 and 230. So first thing, open your unit place digit number. 9 3s are 27. So your carryover is 2. Open one more. So do the cross multiplication. So this is 10. It will give you 12. So write down 2 here. 1 is the carryover now. Now again open this. So 2 ones are 2. Sorry, I think I have done some mistake. Earlier question also, I think I have done some calculation mistake. So let me solve the same number once again. 123 and 321. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. Open one more. 2 ones are 2 and 3 twos are 6. So 6 plus 2 will give you 8. So write down 8. Now open one more. So just 1 multiplied by 1. 3 3s are 9 and 2 twos are 4. So add all the things. Your answer is 14. So write down 4 over here. And again your carryover will be 1. and now start hiding from here. Since this is 2-digit number, so multiply this. 2 ones are 2 and 3 twos are 6. So add this 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. So write down 9 and now hide these two numbers. So 3 ones are 3. So the answer is 39,483. Okay. So I think everybody is clear with the method how to multiply 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Mostly we use multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Thank you for watching today's video.